My deaf dog thinks she's barking.
Hello.
Oh! Here. Oh my shit!
Romeo's having fun.
No, fall in, he'll die.
Give him a kiss. Here we go.
I just had to let you know you're.
I've been picked on 3 times today. Oh, because of my trousers.
What's wrong with your trousers?
Look at the fucking size of them.
The neighbor's dog is pregnant, buddy. Do you know anything about that?
You are.
Yeah, shut up, honestly.
You're gonna, you know what? Next summer you're gonna be wearing your spring jacket.
Well, guys, we thought Bentley was going to be a dad, and those are all black. We haven't let him see yet, so this may get kind of crazy.
Cutie, sit. What a good boy.
Do Superman, do Superman, do Superman. Sit. Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits. Sit.
Bentley has no idea what's behind him. Oh, you.
Cyrus, the people want to know. Can we get an a whoop?
I began to pass out, and my head hit the wall.
This is how you tell the difference between a purebred dog and an inbred dog. This is a purebred dog. And this is an inbred dog. See?
雨天的像聚了下课铃，已经约好在操场等你。夏天真的是闷得可以，带你吃吃草莓冰淇淋。
I had an appointment for today.
Pav, you've come to collect your Rottweiler after a sleepover at Nanny's.
Hi.
Say wee.
Alexa, Simon says Tyson is a bad boy.
Tyson is a bad boy.
Say wee.
I swear to the Holy Mother Mary and baby Jesus, if this dog farts on my head, I'm gonna flip. You're cute, but you're not that cute.
So we're watching the Super Bowl, and I hear these two just crying, and then I notice My dog has eyebrows.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today. Oh.
Pav, you've come to collect your Rottweiler after a sleepover at Nanny's.
Hi.
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
There are very important questions to ask each of you. Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat?
He has no idea what's behind him. Oh, you.
You go downstairs?
He's a good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
Hey!
No!
What's up, Mr. Cool?
Move! That's not what I meant at all.
Shut up, honestly. You're gonna, you know what? Next summer you're gonna be wearing your spring jacket.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
Can't a hoe tell me shit, cause bitch I'm the shit. Oh my mom and my sis had to kick my own blood out.
Damn, it really do be beautiful outside right now. But you know what it's not beautifuler than? It's not better beautifuler than you.
So we're watching the Super Bowl, and I hear these two just crying, and then I notice my dog has eyebrows.
You dare speak to me in that tone of voice, boy? Fucking mother.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Thanks for holding the drink.
Daisy. Hi.
Oh god.
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's married.
Oh.
Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Honey. Oh, it says beware.
Yeah, the baby, let's go!
Scooby. No.
When you see a cute dog with a big booty.
Today's episode of How Gay's My Dog. Here's a sausage, Bailey. Would you like it?
Hey, we have a friend. Oh, he took the cheese.
No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, no. 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 We
Can I please take a nap?
I got you something.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, shut up, I love it.
I have very important questions to ask each of you. Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat?
What is in your mouth?
Hi, buddy. Oh, it says beware.
Sam! Sam! What you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy?
You haven't even had this toy for an hour.
A traitor.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you.
You have the dogs that love the water. And then you have the dogs that hate the water.
Good job, Lucy.
Are you kidding me?
How men talk to dogs. Hey, buddy, you good boy. How women talk to dogs.
Hey! No! 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 No!
Come on, speak. Speak. Good boy.
Move! That's not what I meant at all.
Quincy, we are going on a road trip! Woo! Yes! Damn, boy! Damn, boy! He's thick! Boy!
You have the dogs that love the water. And then you have the dogs that hate the water.
Babe, she's been drinking all day.
One, and two. And dance.
Whiskey. Smile. Smile.
How men talk to dogs. Hey, buddy, you good boy. How women talk to dogs.
Thanks for holding the drink.
Daisy. Hi.
Oh god.
you're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's married.
Oh.
Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Honey. Oh, it says beware. Your expression! Do it again.
You've come to collect your Rottweiler after a sleepover at Nanny's.
Hi.
Say wee.
Alexa, Simon says Tyson is a bad boy.
Tyson is a bad